In this question, we have to find relation between 3-ethyl pentane and 3-methyl hexane. So now if we draw structure of 3-ethyl pentane, so now this molecule is 3-ethyl, total 5 carbon in main chain, so pentane. While we take other example, 3-methyl hexane, 3-methyl hexane. So now these two molecules have different number of carbon in main chain. Now this molecule is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon, while this molecule is having 4, 5 and 6 carbon. So any two isomer having same molecular formula, both molecule are having molecular formula C7H16, but they are having difference in number of carbon in main chain, hence they are chain isomer, and correct answer is A. Isomers have essentially identical. So in this question we have to find which is essential condition for molecule to be isomer. So if we consider definition of isomer, so isomers are different compound having same molecular formula. So if two molecules are having same molecular formula but they are different compound, they are isomer. But if two molecules are having different molecular formula, they cannot be isomer. For example, C4H8 and C4H10, they are having different molecular formula, so they are not isomer. But if we take normal butane and isobutane, normal butane and isobutane, these two are different compound, but both are having same molecular formula C4H10, so they are isomer. Now isomer may have same structural formula, may have different structural formula. Chemical properties may be same, chemical properties may be different. Physical properties may be same, may be different, but molecular formula must be different, and hence correct answer is C. Compounds with same molecular formula but different structural formula are called isomer. For example, if we take C4H8 and from this molecular formula we can form two different structure, CH3CH, double bond CH, CH3, and CH3C, double bond CH2, CH3. These two molecules are having same molecular formula but different structural formula, different connectivity of atoms, hence they are structural isomer. Structural isomer, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find which of compound is not isomer of 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane. So now if we draw structure of 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane, so now this is 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane. Now this molecule is having total 8 carbon, so it's all of isomer must have 8 carbon. Molecular formula is C8H18. Now if we take first example, now this molecule is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carbon, C8H18. If we take option B, now this molecule is having only 6 carbon, while all other examples have total 7 and this 8 carbon. Now this molecule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and these 2 carbon, 8 carbon. So only B is having 6 carbon, all other are having 8 carbon. So B is not isomer of 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane, because isomer must have same molecular formula, while this molecule is having molecular formula C6H14, and hence correct option is B. Which one of the following is not isomer of other? So in this question we have to find which of the following compound is having different molecular formula from others, because if the compounds are isomer they must have same molecular formula. So first molecule is having one double bond and one ring and total 8 carbon. So DOU is 2, and if DOU is 2, then comparison to alkane, it must have 4 hydrogen less. So its molecular formula is C8H14. Now this molecule is again having total 8 carbon with DOU 2. So its molecular formula is C8H14. So this is also isomer of first compound. Next molecule is also having total number of 8 carbon with DOU2. So its molecular formula is C8H14. Now if we take next example, now this molecule is having 8 carbon but 3 rings are present. So DOU is equal to 3, and if DOU is equal to 3, then molecular formula C8. Now total 6 hydrogen or less comparison to alkane. So molecular formula of this compound is C8H12. So option D is having different molecular formula from others. Hence this is not isomer of other compound, and correct option is D. What is correct relationship between the following compound? So in this question we have to find isomeric relationship between two compound. So both these compounds are having same molecular formula. Both molecule are having 6 carbon. So molecular formula of both compound is C6H14. Now name of first molecule is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 methyl pentane, while name of second molecule is hexane. Now second molecule is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon main chain. So these two molecules have difference in number of carbon in main chain, and hence they are chain isomer. So any two compound which are having same molecular formula, same functional group, but difference number of carbon in main chain or side chain are called chain isomer. So correct option is A. Which of the following pair is chain isomer? So in this question we have to find which pair is chain isomer. Now chain isomer have different number of carbon in main chain or side chain. So if we take example 1, 2, 3, 4, now total 4 carbons are present in main chain. At second carbon 2 methyl groups are present. While in second molecule 1, 2, 3, 4, in this molecule also 4 carbon atoms are present in main chain. So these two molecules are identical, or these two molecules are homomer. Now if we take second example, now this molecule is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon, while this molecule is having total 5 carbon in main chain. So they have different number of carbon in main chain, so they are chain isomer. So option B is correct. While we if we consider other example, now 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2 dimethyl propane, 1, 1 dimethyl propane. So these two molecules are position isomer because they have difference in position of substituent. Now these two molecules 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. These two molecules are identical. They have same name, 2, 3 dimethyl butane, 2, 3 dimethyl butane. So they are homomer, and hence correct option is B. In this question we have to find relation between given compound. So if two molecules are having same molecular formula, same functional group, same number of carbon in main chain and side chain, but difference in position of atoms, then this type of isomer called position isomer. So these two molecules are having same principal chain, functional group is same, both are having Cl function group. Now if we find position of functional group, so in first case functional groups are present at first and fourth position, while in second molecule functional group are present at first and third position. Name of first molecule is 1,4-dichlorobenzene, while second molecule is 1,3-dichlorobenzene. Hence these two molecules are position isomer of each other, and hence correct answer is A. In this question we have to find isomeric relation between given compound. So now if we draw a structure of these two molecule, CH3 CH2 NHCHO, CH3 CH2 NH, and CHO. Now this molecule is having functional group amide. Now amide function group is present. While if we take second example, CH3, CH, NH2, CHO. Now this molecule is having principal function group aldehyde and subsequent amino. So this molecule is aminoaldehyde. So one is aminoaldehyde, other is amide. These two compounds have different functional group, hence they are functional isomer, and correct option is C. In this question we have to find isomeric relation between above compound. So now both compound are having same molecular formula, number of carbon hydrogen atoms are same. Now if numbering is done, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 carbon atoms are present in main chain, and name of the molecule is at third position and fifth position multiple bond is present. So name of the molecule is 3,5 dimethyl cyclohexene. And if we take second example, now the name of molecule, numbering should be start from that end where multiple bond is present. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 according to lowest set of locant rule. So name of second example, now 3 at fifth position methyl group is present. So name of the molecule is 3,5 dimethyl cyclohexene. So both molecules having same IUPAC name, and hence both molecules are identical. They are called homomer of each other, and hence correct answer is C. Total number of position isomer of dimethyl cyclohexane. So in this question we have to find total isomer of molecule which is dimethyl cyclohexane. So first example, now this molecule is 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane, 1,1 dimethyl cyclohexane, and all the isomer must have 2-methyl and cyclohexane as a principal chain. So next 1,2 dimethyl cyclohexane, 1,2 dimethyl cyclohexane. Now methyl substituent can be added at 1 and 3 position. So 1,3 dimethyl cyclohexane, and these both substituent can be attached at 1 and 4 carbon. So now this molecule is 1,4 dimethyl cyclohexane, and they all are position isomer of each other. So total number of position isomer of dimethyl cyclohexane is 4, and hence correct answer is 4. Mention the correct relationship between 1 and 2. In this question we have to find isomeric relation between given compound. Now both compounds are having same principal chain, both molecules are having biphenyl, functional groups are present, 2SO3H and 2Br groups are present on both molecule. Now if we observe the structure of molecule, then we will find that skeleton is same, only position of functional group SO3H and Br is changed, and hence they are position isomer. So correct answer is B. Examine the relation between following pair of compound. So in this question pair of compounds are given, and we have to find which type of isomeric relationship is present between the compound. So if we consider first molecule, now this molecule is 1,2-dichlorobenzene, and second molecule is also 1,2-dichlorobenzene. So both the molecules are having same molecular formula and same structural formula. So they are not isomer, so they are identical or they are homomer. Now if we take second example, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon in main chain, and in second example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So both molecule are benzene 1,3-diol. So both are having same molecular formula along with same structural formula. So if molecular formula, in fact they have same stereochemical formula. So they are homomer or they are identical molecule. Now if we consider example third, now this molecule 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon in main chain, and function group is present at first and fourth position, while in second example function group is present at 1 and 3 position. So these both these compounds are called position isomer. So option A, we have to find correct relation, correct option. 1, 2 and 3 are identical. All 1, 2 or 3 are identical. This is not correct. 1 and 2 are identical, but 3 is isomer. So option A is correct. Incorrect. All are isomer. This is not correct, because 1 and 2 are identical while 3 is isomer. 1 and 2 are identical, 3 is isomer. Yes, this option is correct. While option D, 1 is identical, 2 and 3 are isomer. This is also incorrect, and hence correct option is C. The number of aromatic position isomer containing benzene ring with molecular formula C6H6O3 are, and number of tertiary aromatic amine containing benzene ring with molecular formula C8H11N are. So by using C6H6O3, benzene ring must be present. So benzene ring along with 3 oxygen atoms, so 3 OH. So first structure can be drawn 1, 2, 3. This is structure. Now 1, 2, 3 OH group it's are present at first, second and third carbon. Now if we change position of OH, so we get another structure 1, 2 and 4. Now again changing position of OH group, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 and 6, 1, 3, 5, and one other structure can be drawn in which 1, if we draw a structure like this, now this molecule is also 1, 2, 3, 4. So this molecule is also 1, 2, 4, or 1, 2, 4. We have already drawn a structure of 1, 2, 4. So 3 isomeric position isomer can be written for molecular formula C6H6O3. Now second part of the question, number of tertiary aromatic amine containing benzene ring with molecular formula C8H11N. So first we draw structure of benzene ring. Now total 6 carbon atoms are used. Now 2 carbon are attached with nitrogen. So this is the only molecule which can be drawn by using molecular formula C8H11N, and hence only one tertiary amine is possible which is having benzene ring, and hence correct answer is. How many total structural isomers are obtained when 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by chlorine atom from molecular formula C3H8? So molecular formula of C3H8 is CH3, CH2, CH3. Now if all the atoms are replaced by any terminal carbon, then we get a structure CH3, CH2, C, Cl3. Now another condition, when 2 hydrogen atoms are replaced from terminal carbon and 1 from middle carbon, so now we get a structure, this structure. Now if another condition, if 2 atoms from one terminal and 1 from other terminal, so now we get this structure. So there is another possibility, when 2 atoms are replaced from middle carbon and 1 from terminal carbon, so CH2, Cl, C, Cl2 and CH3. So total we are getting 4 isomer, and hence correct option is B. Which of the following statement is not true about the following given compound? So by observing this structure, we have to find which of the following given statement is incorrect about this structure. So first all of the molecule are having same molecular formula. So if molecular formula is same, they are either identical or isomer. So they may be isomer or they may be identical or homomer. So now if we consider first example 1, 2, 3, function group is present at first position while multiple bond is present at second position. Now in second example 1, 2, 3, multiple bond is present at third position. So relationship between 1 and 3 is they are position isomer. They are position isomer because they have difference in position of function group. Well, third example 1, 2, 3. Now 1 and 3 are not structural isomer because they have same position of functional group, same principal chain. So they are not structural isomer. Now we have to check their stereochemical formula. So if we check stereochemical formula, now at second and third, now this double bond is having cis configuration, while at this double bond both hydrogen atoms are attached at opposite direction. So at second carbon alkene is having trans configuration. So one is cis and one is trans. So 1 and 3 are geometrical isomer and 1 or 3 are having different stereochemical formula. So they are stereoisomer. And which type of stereoisomer? They are geometrical isomer. Geometrical isomer. One is cis and other is trans. So first option 1 and 3 are identical. This is incorrect because 1 and 3 are geometrical isomer. Now 1 and 3 are stereoisomer. Yes, this statement is correct. 1 and 2 are structural isomer. Yes, they are correct because 1 and 2 are position isomer and position isomers are structural isomer. So this option is also correct. Second and third are structural isomer. Second and third are structural isomer. This is also correct because they are position isomer, difference in position of multiple bond. But we have to find which is not true, and option A is not true, and hence correct answer is A.